How to highlight your Instagram story. A simple guide. Steps to highlight your Instagram story. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Post a story. Tap on your story at the top left corner of your Instagram home screen. Add a photo or video to your story by selecting one from your gallery or capturing a new one. Highlight the story. After posting the story, go to Your Story and open the story you just uploaded. You'll see a highlight option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Name your highlight. A prompt will appear asking you to name your highlight. Enter a name such as Nice or any other name of your choice, and then tap Add. Check the highlight. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. You'll see the new highlight added to your profile. This story will remain available in the highlight even after 24 hours, unlike regular stories that disappear. Why use highlights? Highlights allow you to keep your favorite stories visible on your profile for as long as you want. It's a great way to showcase important moments, memories, or themes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.